forgetting the wall thickness. Then you draw a wall. This wall, the wall that's placed here, as you are seeing this wall faint here, blurred here like this, is this wall. You are going to draw a wall there, but from your plans you know that this wall is placed at a distance 150 centimeters. That is 165. You click OK. You now extend the wall. To extend the wall, you click where you're seeing this dot and you extend the wall till the wall that you have up, and you check that it is perpendicular. Then you click Control to delete these unnecessary walls. Then this is our bedroom. We continue checking. From the plan we see a bathroom, and the bathroom is of size 2.5 times 2, that is 5 square meters. 2.5 on the width, that is Ctrl Shift D. 2.5 is 250 without forgetting the word thickness, 265. You click enter, then 2. Ctrl Shift D, 2 from here, 215. Enter. Without forgetting to delete our unnecessary lines. You delete the unnecessary lines and you have this. You delete this one. Now you see we now need to draw our balcony. We extend this line to a certain distance. Then this line, you see that the line of the wall of the balcony is drawn 100 centimeters above this one. So you highlight this wall, Ctrl Shift D, 115, click enter. You have the wall of your balcony. Now you delete the unnecessary walls, delete this one, you delete this one, and you delete this one. What's the width of our bedroom? The width of our bedroom is 650 centimeters. You take this wall, you highlight this wall again, Ctrl Shift D, 650 centimeters without, when you add the wall thickness, you have 665 centimeters. You click OK. You put it at 650 centimeters. You extend this wall to this one. Extend this wall to this one. 15 centimeters to the right. 15 centimeters to the right. You come and click here. Okay, when you click on the wall, on the blue part of the wall, you are going to see different commands. You just place it, insert new node, this is a straight node, then here is a curve edge, then here is to move, here is to rotate, here is to do a mirror, here is to elevate, and here is to duplicate or multiply. Duplicate is the same thing. You move it 15 centimeters, enter. You have your wall here. Now you extend this one here. This is what you have. Now you finish doing your balcony. The balcony is of size 2 meters. So Ctrl Shift D, you duplicate it at 215 centimeters. You click OK. You extend this line, you select this one, you press Shift, you select this one, intersect, you intersect, you press Control, you delete the unnecessary wall. This is what you have. Now you draw bedroom 2. Bedroom 2, what's the size of bedroom 2? Bedroom 2 is of size 5 by 5 with a balcony of size 2 by 2.5. So 5 by 5. You press this line, click, you highlight this line, Ctrl Shift D, you duplicate it at 515, you click enter. Then this line, extend this line. I already told you how to extend the line. Click on the black point, drag in the direction in which you wish to extend the line. You highlight the line, Ctrl Shift D, 515. You click enter. That's it. Oh, it's even at the same size. I can right here, you extend this line. That's it. This your room 2, bedroom 2. you delete this unnecessary part. That's bedroom 2. Now in bedroom 2, you need to put the bathroom. The bathroom is of size 2 by 2. That's Ctrl Shift D. 215 here. Enter. Ctrl Shift D. Ctrl Shift D. Ctrl Shift D. 215. 215. Enter. Okay, for example, here you saw that I did not, the Ctrl Shift D that I pressed did not take. So now to come back on the previous command, you press Ctrl Z. You press Ctrl Z to come back. And for example, to go back to the previous thing again, you press Ctrl Shift Z. Meaning if I press Ctrl Z, I go back, Ctrl Shift Z, I redo. Ctrl Z is undo, Ctrl Shift Z is undo, meaning I press Ctrl Z, I undo, Ctrl Shift D to duplicate at which distance 215 without forgetting the wall thickness. You drag it up to this place, you check it's okay. Control, you delete this one, you delete this one, and you delete this one. This is what you have. Now design your balcony. The balcony is starting at 1 meter from the center of this wall, meaning press Ctrl Shift D at a distance 1 meter without forgetting the wall thickness. That's 115. Enter. Now extend it to a certain distance. You duplicate it. Ctrl Shift D. Ctrl Shift D to duplicate it at which distance 265 centimeters. That's 265 centimeters. Press enter. That's what you have. Again, you reduce this one like this, and you reduce this other one like this. Then the size of the balcony is 2.5 times 2, meaning we are going to duplicate this wall 2 centimeters outward. Ctrl Shift D. 200 centimeters, pardon. That's 200 without forgetting the wall thickness 215. Enter. We delete the unnecessary walls. Control, we delete, we delete, we delete, we delete, and we delete these ones. They are not useful. Now you need to put the laundry room. We see that the laundry room from this line is 100 centimeters. That's 115. We press enter. We elongate the line like this. Then what's the size of our laundry room? 3 meters. That's Ctrl Shift D. 315. Enter. Then you extend it. You also extend this one. You also extend this one. Then where is the laundry room finishing? The laundry room is finishing somewhere around here. Yes, the laundry room is finishing somewhere around here. So just take the one. Which size? 100 meters from this one. Ctrl Shift D like this. 115. Enter. Extend. This is where the laundry room is ending. This is where the laundry room is ending. We reduce this line. Press the black one. Come and put it here. Now reduce the unnecessary lines, like this line for example. It's not useful. Control Z, delete this one, delete this one, delete this one. It's not useful. You also delete this one. It's not useful. Delete all the unnecessary lines. Okay, that's it. We have our laundry room. Now we need to draw the master bedroom. I left the master bedroom because it's very large. The master bedroom is of size 4 by 7, 4 by 5, 4 by 5, including a dressing and a bathroom, without forgetting two balconies for the master bedroom. Now first of all, let's dimension our diagram to be sure that what we are doing we are correct. Let's check. dimensions, we check dimension here, dimension here, okay, dimension here, okay, it's correct. Let's check our laundry, it's correct. Let's check here, it's correct. Let's check here also, okay, it's correct. Let's reduce this one. It's okay. We can now proceed with the master bedroom. Let's delete this one, it's not useful. Now, what's the size of the width of our master bedroom? Is 400 centimeters. So we duplicate this line, Ctrl Shift D, 400 centimeters downward. That is 415. We press enter. 415, we press enter. We now extend it to the right and extend it to the left a little bit. Now we also extend this other line here. Then we see that this wall, if we duplicate it at this distance, 215, we press enter and we extend it here. We are going to have a balcony. Select, join like this. You can come later on, delete this wall because it's of no use. Select, you intersect. So that's the space for this. The space for a balcony. We still need to reduce it. Ctrl Shift G, 215 though. This is what we have. Delete this one. Okay. Now, what's the size? The length of a balcony? Not 215. I need to add the 100. Enter. Select. Shift. I intersect. Okay. Then that's the length. Then the width of our balcony is 225. 200. Yes, 200. Ctrl Shift G. 200. Not forgetting the wall thickness, that is 215. Now let's place the other rooms. Delete this one, Control delete, and delete this one, delete. Extend this one here and delete this one. This one is not useful. Okay, now we need to put our dressing and our water closet. What's the size? 4 by 8. You see that? Ctrl Shift D, 115, enter. Then this one, Ctrl Shift D, 215, enter. Can now delete this one, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z again, Ctrl Z, then Ctrl Z. Delete this one. Then let's now check the size. If you have 4 meters, because you need to have 4 meters here. Oh, what the fuck? We're having just 2. We're having just 2 meters. Okay, I understand. The next room is to be placed here. Yes, this is the dressing. Now in the bathroom. This is the dressing. Now in the bathroom. Ctrl Shift D. Read the distance. 250, 265. 265. Enter. Highlight this one. Intersect. This is what you have. Extend this line like this. This is what you have. So you pass through just then can increase this wall like this, few centimeters. Then delete this one. you select this one, you carry it to be here. Okay, so this is what you have here. This is your balcony, this is your dressing, this is your bathroom, and this is the master bedroom. Now we need to intersect these two lines for it to be okay. Control, you press shift, you select the two lines, you click on intersect, you intersect the two lines. Now you need to put your balcony because there's a balcony. The master bedroom is having two balconies. This is the first balcony and the second balcony is to be here. So for you to put the balcony, you see that there's a change here, and the change is 1 meter from your plan, meaning you take 115, you click enter, and you extend it till where you see this one. Now to put it there, you place your cursor here. It's going to show a circle, meaning that you are at that angle. Now you can trace it for the two walls to be perpendicular. Then when you trace it, you highlight this one again, you intersect. So that's it. Intersect. You can also take this one, you reduce this one a little bit, you highlight this one, and you intersect also. You intersect like that. Then you can delete here, you delete here. You now you extend this wall in order to put a door, because in order to put a door like this. So this is our balcony, this is our cinema hall, the water closet of the cinema hall, this is a corridor and the entrance hall, the master bedroom, dressing, the bathroom of the master bedroom, the balcony of the master bedroom, the laundry room, bedroom 2 with the balcony and the bathroom, bedroom 1 with the balcony and the bathroom. Now I'm going to make small changes for it to look different. For that, I'm just going to put this one here. Control Shift D. I duplicate. I put it here. I duplicate. I put it here. Okay. Now I said that let's change how this hall is, because it's too natural. Let's put something there. Press Control, you press a Shift button, you select the two. Now go here, fillet or chamfer. You select chamfer. This trial and error. Let's put 25 and click OK and see. 25 is small. Control Z. You select it again. Chamfer. Okay. Let's now put 150 and see. Okay. It's giving something like this. It's looking better. Now you extend this line like this. We draw another, and you extend the wall. We draw another wall here. Draw another wall here up to this level. Draw another wall here. From here, draw another wall from here up to this level. Now delete this wall. It's not necessary. Delete this one also. Then you select this one, you select this wall, you press chamfer 150 already, click OK. So you are going to have something like this. Similarly, on this side, you extend the wall here, you click here, chamfer, reduce it, you put that 125, click OK. This is what you have. Extend the wall here, you extend it to this one. Just click here, click intersect. We are going to intersect. Click here, click intersect. Okay, click here, click intersect. So okay, we click here, we click intersect. Okay, all the walls intersect. You can delete this one. So this is what we have here. Yes, this is what you have. But you can modify it in such a way that this wall should be placed here in order for us to have a good design. So you delete this wall, you just delete this one, click this one, intersect, then the walls are already highlighted. You reduce it to 70 to 60, enter.